Hi, I'm Jonathan Maxwell, Senior Product Manager for Lithonia Commercial Downlighting, and today we're going to talk about our latest commercial downlight, the LBR. It's offered in retrofit, remodel, and new construction mounting options. Today we're going to focus on the benefits of the LBR in a new construction frame. LBR new construction comes in 3 aperture sizes in round, 2 square options, and a deeply regressed LED reflector, which yields great cutoff to provide occupants a glare-free experience. This versatile solution is affordable and simple to cut energy costs and maintain visual comfort. The LBR also offers a diverse set of driver features with switchable CCT and switchable lumens. Before installation, you can set your CCT to one of 4 options and choose between 5 lumen packages, ranging from 500 lumens to 5,000 lumens. This driver also offers multi-volt 120 through 277, 0 to 10 volt, and phase dimming in an all-in-one driver, or a separate dolly driver. We will demonstrate how easy installation is with an LBR6 new construction frame. Prior to installation, turn off power to take proper safety precautions, and be sure to wear gloves and safety glasses. Cut the ceiling opening slightly larger than the outside diameter on the mounting frame. Assemble the channel bars to each side of the mounting frame with the included hardware. Leave the hardware loose to adjust the position of the frame and the ceiling. Adjust channel bars to the correct spacing between T-bars and secure channel bars to T-bar by means of a fastener, wire ties, screws, etc. Position the mounting frame through the opening in the ceiling. Adjust the mounting frame vertically to align the bottom edge of the drawdown to either flush or slightly above the ceiling line. Retighten both vertical adjustment nuts and retighten both channel bar clamping screws. Set the driver to the choice of your desired color temperature and lumens. Remove knockouts on the junction box to feed power supply to the fixture. Then snap the covers to secure onto the junction box. Pull the flexible conduit from the junction box through the ceiling opening and insert the wiring leads into the LBR driver housing through the knockout. Unscrew the driver door and make the necessary wiring connections. Reinstall the driver door. Insert the driver box through the aperture into the ceiling. Position the mousetrap springs into a vertical position. Compress the mousetrap springs to insert and carefully release one spring and then the second spring in a controlled fashion. Lastly, restore power to finish installing this perfect solution for any new construction project. You're now able to give your customers the lighting they deserve, whether it's retrofit, remodel, or new construction. Make the switch to LBR.